Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the same phone number and the Google or Apple account linked to the original backup. This is crucial because WhatsApp ties backups to accounts. Once done, install or update WhatsApp and grant storage and contacts permissions so the app can detect backups. Make sure your device has enough free space and at least 20% battery or plug into power. Then open WhatsApp, verify your number, and the app will immediately search for available cloud or local backups to restore. Next, you check where the backup should come from, cloud versus local. If cloud says none, use a file manager to inspect WhatsApp/databases for MSG store files. If you find recent files, rename the latest MSG store file to MSG store. DB. Crypt 12 so WhatsApp recognizes it. If you rely on cloud, make sure you are signed into the exact Google or Apple ID that created the backup and confirm the backup date. This explains why WhatsApp might report none when the account is different. Finally, tap Restore when the app offers detected backups. Wait patiently while messages and media download. Do not switch networks or interrupt power. If the restore fails, clear WhatsApp cache, reinstall the app, and repeat verification. For local restores, recheck file names and permissions. Make sure you use the same phone number and cloud account because most no backup found problems stem from a mismatch. If you still see issues, try restoring on a different device with the same account to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.